everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to make classic chicken salt and pepper. Let me take you through the ingredients first. We need green paprika, chicken, corn flour, garlic and ginger, salt, pepper, onion, and egg. Without wasting time, let's jump to the preparation. I have cut chicken into small pieces. I've taken a large chicken breast. Now I'm gonna season it with some salt, black pepper, soy sauce, mix it well. Now I'm going to add an egg. Give it a good mix with your hands. I added the soya sauce because it will give a nice flavor and color to the chicken. Now I'm going to add corn flour. Mix it well. Keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll start the cooking. Now I'm going to shallow fry the chicken. I'm not going to deep fry it. I'm going to cook them for 2-3 minutes each side. Chicken are cooked. I'm going to take them out, turn off the flame. Now I'm going to cook the vegetables in medium to high flame. I'm going to add garlic, ginger, onion, now I'm going to add the green paprika as well. If you don't have green paprika, you can use red, yellow, whichever is available. I'm going to season it with some black pepper again and salt. Make sure not to add too much salt because chicken already has salt. Cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Vegetables are cooked. Now we will add chicken. We'll cook for another 1 to 2 minutes and then we are ready to serve. Let's taste. It's quite flavorful and yummy. Do give it a try and let me know. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Bye-bye.